Today, I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a video to your GoDaddy website. So let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to godaddy.com and you can open up your dashboard and you will get to the website that you are editing. This is one of the test websites that I have on GoDaddy, and I'll show you how to add a video. For that, you can actually scroll down to the section where you think that you need to add the video. Let's say I want to add a video right here. So I'm going to click on add section. Once you click on add section, then we can select that what kind of section we are looking for. If you want to add, a blog, a commerce, a product, or a general image gallery or something. So I'm going to go with the audio and the video option. You can see in add section, we have audio and video. So you're going to select this one and then you're going to select video. So it'll give you a section to add a video. It's going to be like a blank section with a player. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with, we have different layouts. I think I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to select add. So now we have our section here. We can also give our video a title first here, and then we can insert the video. For that, then you're going to click right here, check out this great video, and you're going to insert the link. And you're going to get the link from your YouTube channel or any other website. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. And you will paste the link right here and your video will be added to your GoDaddy website. This is how we add videos on GoDaddy. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.